What's going on, guys? I'm out here in Arkansas on the farm with my friend Eric from Fay-Ark, and he's been using the ramp rack for a couple years, and so we're gonna get his honest feedback of the pros, the cons, the good, bad, and the ugly. So without further ado, Eric, share with us your honest thoughts on the ramp rack.
As you can see, we use it. We do a bunch of small residential, and we love it for that because we're in tight neighborhoods, don't have a lot of room to pull a 18-foot trailer with 3 mowers. It's just not needed. So it's really nice, really compact and efficient. Don't have to train guys like to pull a trailer. And we've got our 36 and 48-inch mowers on it, in and out on those cookie cutter yards. We've got the green touch racks on it. Really like that. There's not really much I don't like about it.
How difficult or easy was it installation? Like, how do they send it to you, and how many minutes or hours did it take you to do the assembly?
It took me and another guy about 6 hours to do. It comes in a box, it's got the instructions and everything. We're working in the shop that day and we're doing some other stuff, but it just took us like around 6 hours or so to do.
What tools did you need?
I think a drill and some ratchets. So it was pretty easy, pretty simple to do. So I recommend getting it if you're going to use it for smaller maintenance versus bigger commercial jobs or big acreage properties.
Nice. What's been any of the downside to it?
Just like when we do have to mow commercial, there's just the lack of space for like sticks, weeds, debris, etc. So there's not much.
So no haul away capabilities once you load her up?
No, not at all. We've used it for some flower bed and mulch, but it's just for small yards, just kind of when we're in a pinch and need to get something done, and use it to haul the mowers around for leaf season. So it's got its purpose. In the winter, we used it, loaded up. We're gonna get a plow or a snow mate for our mower to plow the sidewalks, and we'll just load it up with salt. And
is that Nick Carlson's snowmate?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So that's gonna be our setup this
So basically, if you're in a cookie cutter neighborhood where you just mow, edge, trim, blow, repeat all day long, you would recommend the ramp rack?
Definitely, 100%.
Alrighty, guys, well, there you have it. That's my friend Eric. We're out here on his farm. You know, I've been seeing these ramp racks. I saw B&B Lawn Care post a ramp rack video from GIE years ago, and I was at my friend Naylor Taliaferro's in Midlothian, Virginia. And he has a ramp rack, absolutely loves it. You know, Eric, a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rank it?
I'd say a 9.
There you go.
It's worth it.
A 9. So I think if you really want to have that tight route density and not worried about reversing a trailer or making the crazy turns with a big old trailer, and you just basically like driving a pickup truck basically.
Yep.
I mean, just extended slightly. So efficient on driving, efficient on being in and out, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to catch you in the next video.